Hi beauties! Today we'll be doing a tutorial on custom water bottles. So let's get started. For the first part of our tutorial, you'll need your Cricut cutting machine, 651 Oracle vinyl, and a cutting mat. First, we will upload our text or logo into the Cricut app, remove any background spaces, save it as a cut file, and load the file onto our workspace. I changed the color and the sizes of the text. The name is 4 inches and the logo is 6 inches. When you're done sizing your text, press Make It. Next, prepare your mat. Place your vinyl on the mat flat facing upwards. With our Cricut settings set to custom, choose vinyl on the app and load the mat onto the Cricut. Then press the C on your Cricut machine and watch the magic cut. Be sure to stay to the end for a special gift. Load your mat when the cut is finished. For the second part of the tutorial, you'll need alcohol, cotton balls or tissue, the water bottle, scissors, transfer tape and a weeding tool, and the labels we just cut on our Cricut machine. First, we're going to cut out the labels, leaving a 1/2 inch border of vinyl. Use the cotton ball and alcohol to clean the area on the water bottle where you will place your label. With the weeding tool, weed your cut. I always like to refer back to the Cricut where I uploaded my PNG. You may notice that I'm taking precautions with my gloves, my mask, and covering the top of the water bottles. I actually received these orders around March when coronavirus had just hit, so that's why I'm being extremely safe and careful. Next, size and cut your transfer tape. Be sure that the tape is big enough to cover the label. Peel off the tape and place it over your label. Move the transfer tape and the label away from the backing. Grab your water bottle and place the label with the transfer tape on the area we cleaned earlier. I use my hand to secure the label on the bottle, but I recommend using a scraper and doing very light scrapes across the vinyl. Lastly, we want to carefully remove the transfer tape from the bottle and the vinyl. I'm going to show you this technique again. I also want to send a shout out to the Beauties who purchased these custom water bottles from me earlier this year, right when quarantine hit. Thank you for always supporting me. Because you've watched this far, I do have the care cards for the water bottles for free. I'll upload them on my blog. So I'll leave the link in the description box below. There you have it, your new custom water bottles that you can personalize or sell in your store. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. And if you would like more tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious!